Ako naman, I feel like, not naman feel. What I'm trying to say is, kasabay ko nung tumanda yung guys. Kasi when I first joined my pageant, I was back in Iloilo, back in Leon. I was 12 years old pa. So parang, wala na akong pera noon. So kahit ano lang first na mahanap ko. And then I remembered, I think few days ago, lumabas sa Facebook memory, my first Jojo guys was like 7 years ago. So doon ako, I think I joined on our town. And ever since then, you mentioned, totoo naman, once you have a heels, ako lang pinakauna dun sa town namin na may Jojo guys. Pero may napaka akong volunteer. So every time, they're like, kung may Jojo guys sa Alexi, so punta kayo doon, hiramin nyo. So sometimes I'm worried na baka masira na kasi first ko.
Grabe yung dala-dalawang phone.
Pero grabe, hindi talaga nasira, kahit tinatakbo ko na siya minsan, like hindi talaga siya nasira. And then after nun, of course, when I joined nationals, when I joined other pageants, favorite ko talaga yung Jessa. So, pinakamasakit siya, I think, for me. Pinakakawawa yung pa ako doon. Pero yun nga, beauty is pain, as they said. So, every time I wear other heels, 6.5, or like MMDs and other heels like that, parang wala na siya. Like, it's very comfortable na sa paa. So, other than it looks very sexy sa paa when you wear it, other than, yun nga, versatile siya, and like, okay siya, have other people's complexion. Kasi nga ako on the darker side. So, good siya na meron complexion that suits you when you're wearing the heels. And then other than that, very sturdy siya kasi sometimes we dance, kita niyo man dancer na kami ngayon. So, dancer na kami. So, it's like, nakakasayaw kami. So, very sturdy siya sa paa. And, syempre, when you go in the stage, and then after that, lilipat kayo. So, tatakbo kayong backstage. And then, grabe, like, hindi pa rin siya, like, super sturdy niya pa rin until now. Grabe yung balance. So, for me, I'm very grateful with Jojo Vergara. It's super diverse. It gives everyone, every woman, every girls, everyone who wanna join pageant, a chance na feel like a queen when wearing one. Thank you.
What I love about Jojo Vergara is also the same as my sisters. They say the versatility of it, the durability. And my first pair of Jojo Vergara was like 7 years ago when I joined Binibining Parañaque. My Lola Capitana gifted me the PO Words Pack heels. And just recently when I trained for Aces and Queens, it's the same heels what I use for training. And yes, magulat kayo, buhay pa rin yung 7 years heels ko. And nilaban ko pa rin yung 6.5. Although they say na hindi na nga daw mostly use 6.5. That's why I purchased the new one. But I'm just happy to share that that's how durable the Jojo Vergara is. It's also very versatile, and despite them being known for just pageant heels, actually Jojo Vergara has shoes, has heels and sandals too that you guys can explore and check. Thank you.
Jojo Vergara make me feel make me feel taller, not just physically but also my confidence. And let me share you the story. Way back 2024, I bought 30 pairs of Jojo Vergara here because I have a small business sa rental gown. And sabi ko, gusto kong dalhin ang Jojo Vergara sa Bulacan. Kasi po marami po mga tiga Bulacan ang nalalayuan sa Quezon City. And then, yung mga taong may pangarap na makalakad sa Jojo Vergara, dinala ko siya sa Bulacan at pinaparentahan ko. Feeling ko na kumita.
Kumita.
And ngayon po, dahil yung pangarap ko po na bumibili lang po ako ng Jojo Vergara, ngayon po, nandito na po ako, nire-represent na yung Bulacan. Gamit pa rin ang Jojo Vergara.
Wow.
Thank you so much, girls. Ayan, so sa mga hindi pa nakakabili, last 2 days na po namin. So bumili na po kayo, just like our Reyna's here. At syempre, before we proceed with the picture taking and meet and greet with your fans, pwede ba kaming mga hingi ng isang sample?
Sample!
Reyna's, marunong ba kayong sumayaw? Let's go, let's go. Okay.
Sabay-sabay
Sabay-sabay, girls. Reyna Filipina.
Go Scarlett! Ay, sorry. Oh, yan. Hindi na naman nagsabay-sabay.
Part 2. Sorry.
Wow, pang-opening na pala ito.
This is where my journey begins. Reina Philippines, holding on my purpose.
Sabay-sabay!
Reina Filipinas, shining like a diamond.
Parang may sumayaw.
I'm walking around Reina Filipinas. Holding my head up.
Grabe.
Marunong na.
Sabay tayo, diba? Grabe. Sobra. Thank you. Thank you.
Tigidong daw.
Tigit-tigit daw na lang daw. Kasi mas ano nila. Okay. Tigitong na lang daw.
Sa'yo, ang hilig ko parang sa'yo.
Lito na si Ann.
Parang sa'yo, ang hilig ko parang sa'yo. Ang hilig ko mapapao. Mapapaulan sa hilig ko.
So this time naman, we will proceed with the meet and greet with your fans. So you will have your photo opportunities. And then after that, we will proceed with the contents naman ng guys. Before we proceed with, I'm sure kasi our media partners would like to have a one-on-one interviews with you. So tapusin lang po natin ang content number guys and then you can have the girls come. Okay, so pila lang po tayo. To those na gusto magpa-picture sa girls, you may lapit po.
Yan siya, oh. Yan siya, oh.
Ang picture daw pala muna kayo. Picture muna with the guys pala. Sorry.
Ay, sorry. Ay, sorry.
This is where my journey begins. Reina Filipinas, wearing all my colors, holding all my purpose. I'm walking with Reina Filipinas, shining like a diamond. I'm a Filipina. I'm walking with Reina Filipinas. Holding my head up high, on the back. Reina Filipinas.
Sino gusto kong tanungin? Sino yung gusto niyong tanungin ko? Comment kayo kung sino yung gusto niyong lapitan ko. Yan, Sahara, Jess Ray, Mommy Scarlett, the great dancer. Yan. Frizel, Nicki Minaj, and Bella, Taco Bella.
Noong lalaban from the very start. Siniwala na
Nasa Bragais kami kasi outlet sale. Nandito yung mga girls. May batch 2 na naman tomorrow ng 3 p.m. Sinong gusto nyo na lapitan ko? And you can ask questions. Lapitan natin si Alexi. Si Nicki Minaj. Any questions for the girls?
I'm a woman that knows where I belong to. Rise and shine with the stars in the sky. Live with me, the least know where the shine.
Yan, si Sarah yung Viva Max artist. So Jessray yung winner ng Nueva Ecija, Miss Grand Nueva Ecija. Si Scarlett yung Miss Globe top model of the world. May podcast episode pala kami mamaya, lalabas si Scarlett.
Those who want to
9 p.m. or 10
girls
p.m.
you may, and then afterwards, ipupull out kayo ng regards. Okay, thank you.
Tanong nyo yung gusto nyo itanong. Hi Jess, may message ka sa mga tao na nasa live. Dito ka. Ayan, para may ilaw. May message ka Jess sa mga taong nasa live.
I'm representing Nueva Ecija. Okay, so I'm calling all my Nova Ecijano people, especially my other supporter outside Nueva Ecija, to please help me. I need your ultimate support to secure my spot on top 10. So for the guidelines and instruction, kindly visit and follow my Facebook page. It's Jessry Aguilar Aguilar. My TikTok account is Jessry Aguilar. Again, this is powered by Dandy Glow and Jojo Vergais. Walk with.
Yan, bili kayo ng Dandy Glow.
Please follow Reina Filipinas and Jojo Vergais as well, okay? Don't forget that. Do not just follow my Facebook account, but also Reina Filipinas as well. Hi, Hershey.
Bili kayo sa Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok.
At
sana pumunta ka dito sa
Yan.
last 2 day sale na.
Ano naman ang feeling mo na nandito ka?
Ka na ng kanilang
I mean,
beautiful
super
pageants
overwhelming with
and of
lots
course,
of emotion.
kaya naman.
Again, hindi na ako iiyak. Ayoko na umiyak.
Iyakin ka sa siya guys.
Iyakin kasi ako guys because I thought PBB yung in addition to here, Reina Filipinas pala.
Ah.
But then again, I'm super happy with
Ah.
Reina Filipinas organization for bringing the best version of us. And I hope sooner or next year,
Kaya gusto ko tapakita sa personal na
so that you can experience this grandest opportunity awaits you all.
Kamusta naman ang experience mo dito? Sabihin mo naman na mabait kami. Tsare.
Like working with Reina Filipinas organizations and staff, they're all
Naririnig nyo ba si Jess?
I mean, they're right, they're very considerate people, and again, they're not gonna judge you whoever or whoever you represent. And that's what I love. They take care of us and everything. They make sure that we're safe and we're happy all the time. I mean, this is my first, it's my first time doing everything. So, yung interview ko, like yung mga casual interview ko, it's not that totally magaling. But I keep on improving. And thank you so much.
Thanks Jess. Punta mo na ako kay Scarlett. How's your experience so far? Lumabas na yung episode mo kagabi. Kumusta naman?
I hope nakita niyo yung episode ko kasi nagpakita na ako ng Scarlett talaga. So, sa mga next episodes naman, makikilala niyo talaga ako. Hindi na ako nagtatago, hindi na ako miss shy, hindi na ako nagpapakute.
Yeah.
Laban na yan, brand na yan. So, ang feeling ko naman today here, I wanna say muna, bumili kayo ng Jojo Vergais shoes kasi 2 days na lang ang outlet sale niya. So, alam niyo, you're very confident and matanggap kayo with the shoes. That's why you have to come here and you have to meet us para mag-chika-chika tayo dito. Alam niyo,
Correct. Scarlett, madaming ang perception sa'yo ay mataray. Can you break that perception?
so wait lang. Anong feel niyo?
Mataray daw. Mataray ka daw, Charan.
Hindi naman. Kasi,
Hindi siya mataray.
syempre, yung first impression is very important. So, baka yung mukha ko lang yun. Na
Yeah.
mataray. So, pag naman, nag-usap na tayo, makikita nyo, like now, I'm so kind naman din. I can talk about myself na I'm kind and masaya ako and pwede rin tayong pumunta ng party. So, pag
Malakas siya uminom ng tequila. Uminom.
nag-shots kami.
Nag-shots kami.
So, pag nakita niyo ako sa labas, just come and ask for a picture. Mag-chika-chika tayo. Huwag kayong matakot.
At first kasi, medyo mataray lang si Scarlett Inan. Kasi yung European features niya. But when you get to know her, she's so fun. And she's a proud mom. Ganon. So I think you should start knowing her better. Yeah.
Tita, just come to me. Mabait naman ako.
Sabi ni Ellie Chua, Muntinlupa, let's go!
Yay! Muntin! Lupa!
Diba?
Alam mo yan sa stage, ha? Start tayo.
Don't worry guys, the more that we are going to release episodes of Up Close, you will get to know the girls more.
Makikita nyo na kung sino talaga kami. Kasi for sure, nakikita nila yung mga social media namin.
Yes.
Hindi naman kami nagpapakita doon. So,
Yan. Abangan!
Abangan ang Miss Alaba.
Ayan. Ito ang babaeng may sariling ring light. Ayan. Ring light. Ayan yung ring light. Ann, kumusta?
Okay na po, sobrang enjoy.
Ayan, banter kayong dalawa para may ganap.
Sobrang enjoy direct. I really enjoy the experience here in Great Pilipinas. Again,
Walang charot.
walang charot. Together with my sisters. Grabe. Ngayon ko kasi na-experience ko compete with my sisters. Yung mga trans Pinay kasi grabe yung mga hormonal balance nila. Iba rin pa. Mas, wala naman bakit. Iba na yung mga mood swings and everything. Mga hormonal imbalance nila. Hormonal balance. Mga ganon.
Kumusta yung differences ng mood swings nyo? Ikaw as a mother and ikaw as a trans girl.
Pareho.
Really?
Na parang
Alala. Ano yung mood swings nyo?
mood swings siguro pag yung impatience, may gano'n. Like, parang may very fast for us to get irritated. Parang sige natin. Siya fast for yung swings. So yung talagang parang yung mukha mo magkakaroon talaga ng subtitle. Even you can, parang you cannot say anything. Magsasalita yung reaction ng parang
Pero yung mood swings mo may oras or just
May oras.
bigla na lang? Anong oras?
siguro mga
Alauna, gano'n.
yung mga super early.
Especially pag buntis, no? Before, nung nagbuntis ka, yung hormones mo, like, very unstable.
Pero I think now I'm very calm.
Yes, actually, parang siguro dahil yung mood ng mga moves, yung mga hormones sa atin, it's always up to those people na nasa surrounding. Kasi may makakanin at makakasinger. Pero kasi sa radio, whereas without charge, without labada, without pangungutong, very calm kasi yung approach. So parang walang chance matrigger yung mga mamutulog yung mga tikbalang sa katawan.
Nagtikbalang daw siya, ga.
Hormonal tikbalang. Hashtag hormonal tikbalang.
Tsaka I always like these girls kasi hindi sila kalma. I mean, bakla din yung ugali nila. So parang,
Bawal kasi dito, pag girl dahil na sense of girl, pero bawal yung sobrang just be yourself.
correct.
Masaya yun.
Mas more authentic.
Really important. Kasi ang dami naman din parang kitang-kita na plastic. So, parang
Go, Scarlett!
kasi pinapakita niya mabait. Hindi naman.
Ay!
No, mabait naman yun. So, ang daming girls talaga na pinapakita lang na mabait. So, like on stage, sinasabi nila. And then after, pag nasa backstage na parang, hindi na
So far, wala pa naman kayo
Pero
nakakaaway.
matutuwa ka ba kung kunyari hindi siya mabait tapos nung magsabunutan siya during the party sa stage?
ano?
Sa stage talaga.
Ayan siya.
Oo, sabunutan. Like, pulling the hair.
Pulling the hair.
Gusto niyo yon sa stage? Magsabunutan kayo?
Mabaitan, just me too to myself, sabunutan tayo sa stage.
Gusto mo yon?
Violent, walang violence. Sa Reyna Pilipinas, bawal ang violence.
And then nagsisunod namin.
What are you looking forward to sa next 2 weeks natin?
Next week,
Next 2 weeks na lang tayo. Next 2 weeks na lang.
Ang bilis ng journey.
Super.
pero I'm sure na going to be a pasabog.
Ang pinakagusto kong nangyari yung sa masterclass. Nag-masterclass sila with... Kumusta naman yung masterclass? Ako ang favorite ko yung kay Emma.
Pinalik ko yung knowledge natin. Favorite ko was the last pasarela.
Pasarela.
Because it was really good for us to see the basics again. Parang hindi namin makalimutan. Like, parang sabi ni CJ, kahit meron kayong routine, pag naka-black out kayo, alam pa rin yung basics. So, na yun yes, oo. That's very nice. And of course, the Q&A session was also really good for us. Kasi syempre, iba na dito ang Q&A. So, hindi ka pa, parang was my child, talagang smartest girl.
Correct.
Ang MCC, ayun ang very important dito. Right now, we're Rina.
Ikaw, anong favorite mo, Ann?
Kay Emma, kasi of course, me and Emma, parang sabay kami ng journey niyan sa pageantry eh. Classmate ko yan last year. Kami yung Team Philippines, Groupies internationally. So, yung pinagdaanan niya, super relate ako kasi parang pinagdaanan ko rin siya sa pageant. At pareho kami nakaka-relate sa isa't isa. Yung mga moment na nag-meeting kami ng mga sarili namin. Hindi mo parang pinakausap namin sarili namin.
Wait lang, Ann, ha? Lalagyan ko lang ng mic.
Na-enjoy namin sa Reina Filipinas is syempre yung every time na pinapasayaw kami.
Yeah, kasi
Because we're dancers.
dancers kami. Oo, dancer na dancer kami. Nakikita niyo man sabay-sabay and then powerful ang mga moves namin.
We're dancers. Kasi ang sabi, ang requirements kapag sumali ka, dapat nakakasayaw ka.
Dapat female Jabawuki ka talaga.
Ako, after the pageant, ang mababago sa akin is yung may thinking na hindi pala nakakatakot ipakita yung totoong ikaw sa pageant world. Kasi sa pageant world, parang they're always demanding you to have something na prototype na dapat yun ka. They box you, parang dapat yun lang yung peg mo. Hindi dapat, nakulong tayo sa sultan, dapat queenly ka. So dito, natutunan ko that even after the Reina Filipinas, hindi pala nakakatakot at hindi pala masama just to be yourself, to show kung sino ka behind the glitz, the glamour behind your expensive gown. So kung sino ka, ipakita mo yon kasi mas ma-enjoy mo yon and people will love you more.
So for me, since I've joined a lot of pageants, so international, in Europe, in Germany, and of course the last pageant ko dito, iba talaga ang feeling ko sa Reina Filipinas. Parang ito na ang path ko. So I was, after the isang pageant, I was like, magko-compete pa ba ako? Kasi syempre, I'm a mommy, mamasita. So, I was like, kasi 22 na ako, no? Alam niyo naman. So, hindi. Yeah, so, ang dami mong naiisipan. So, is that something for you ba? Pero yung nag-join ako dito sa Reina Filipinas, kitang-kita ko talaga, that's the path for me na. So, lahat na nadaanan ko sa buhay ko, took me here to that stage and I'm very grateful for that. And parang sinabi nga ni Ann, you can be yourself. So, ayun ang gustong makita ng mga tao dito. Ayun ang gustong makita ng organization. And I'm really grateful for that kasi sa mga ibang pageants nga, parang iba ka. So, now, you are truly who you want to be and who you are talaga.
Correct.
Period.
Correct. Thank you, Direk.
Wow.
Yeah.
Bagong episode na yan?
I love it. Abangan namin. Yes.
Next na yon.
Your episode.
Excited na din ako.
Tomorrow,
Thanks, girls! Off ko muna kasi